Blessings. Welcome to my channel. My name is Taj Yusi and I am a certified financial coach. I'm also the founder of True Financial Coaching, where our mission here is to help you invest in yourself. And we do that by educating and enlightening and empowering you with the financial knowledge and financial literacy that is needed in order to get off the rat wheel. One may say, well, what is the rat wheel? Well, the rat wheel is when one is constantly consuming and financing objects that go down in value for them, but it goes up in value for the bank. Now, the wheel only moves, only revolves as long as the rat is powering it. So in that example, we would be the rat, and the wheel is when, again, one is constantly financing, revolving credit, constantly financing. Once they get off the rat wheel, once they stop financing, then the wheel stops. The wheel stops, and then they're free to do what they want, when they want, instead of having to do what they don't want to do because they have to. So in this video today, we're going to continue our series on Dave Ramsey's baby steps. And for those, again, that may not know, Dave Ramsey is an American talk show personality, radio talk show personality who helps people get out of debt. You know, and he's very well known in the financial community for his 7 baby steps. In the last video, we talked about his first baby step, which is to save an emergency fund of $1,000. So that first baby step of saving $1,000 is just to protect you during the time of you paying off your debts, because you don't want to use debt to fund emergencies while you're paying off debt. That defeat the purpose, right? So first baby step is to save $1,000. We talked about that in one of the previous videos. Now, after you save your $1,000 in your emergency fund, the next baby step, which we'll be talking a little bit more in detail in this video, is to pay off your debt using the debt snowball strategy. Now, this is a strategy that Dave Ramsey's in his 7 steps, he adheres to the individual sticking with, because there are other strategies, another strategy that is out there to pay off debt, which is called the debt avalanche. So we'll get into both. So first, the debt avalanche is when one puts the debts in order based upon the interest rate, the highest interest rate. And they attack that first debt with the highest interest rate, then go on to eliminate that debt, go to the second debt with the highest interest rate, and so on until they've paid off all their debt. Again, putting the debts in order from the highest interest rate to the lowest interest rate is the debt avalanche. However, Dave Ramsey, again, uses the debt snowball. And the debt snowball is where you put your debts in order, not based on the interest rate, but based on the amount. So you start with the smallest amount of debt, put them in order till you get to the largest amount of debt. And the purpose of Dave Ramsey using that strategy of the debt snowball as opposed to using the debt avalanche is to get those instant wins, those quick wins. Because paying off debt can be discouraging when you see this large number and you know it's like, I'm never going to get this paid off. But there's a saying, an elephant can be eaten one bite at a time, right? Look at a big elephant. Who's going to ever eat a whole elephant? Yeah, you can eat an elephant one bite at a time. Same with your debt. You can pay off your debt one debt at a time. But again, Dave Ramsey uses the debt snowball. With the debt snowball, again, you put your debts in order from least to greatest, and then you start attacking it with what he calls gazelle intensity, meaning just go hard at it, go quick at it, knock it out. because you need those small wins to boost the morale, the psychological aspect of paying off debt. Get those quick wins and it boosts your morale, right? So put your debts in order, smallest to largest. Go over, look at your expenses, cut things out, see what you can cut out, see what things you can cut back on, take that extra money that you now have, and then you, boom, just put it towards that smallest debt. While doing that, you're paying the minimum amounts on your other debts. So you're attacking that first smallest debt, paying the minimum plus any extra money that you get, attack it. While you're doing that, you pay off the smallest other debts, you pay off all the other debts with the minimum amount. Once you knock out that first debt, all the money that you was putting towards that first debt, now take it to the next debt. So you take the money that you was putting from that first debt, take it all, put it towards the second debt, plus the minimum payment that you was already paying on that. While you're attacking that second debt, still put the minimum on all the other debts. Keep doing that. Keep doing that. Any extra income you get, put it towards those debts. Any extra money somebody may give you, put it towards the debt. Why? Because you want to be free. Until you knock it all out, then you're free. With the exception of your mortgage, you don't include your mortgage, but all the other debts, credit card debt, auto loans, student loans, personal loans that you may have had, just put them in order. Any old past due utility bills, all that in order except for your mortgage. You're going to save your mortgage for later, and that'll be coming up into another video. But all the consumer debt, put it in order. Attack that first debt, knock it out. Any extra money, knock it out. Attack the second debt, still paying the minimum amounts on the other debts. And again, this is a strategy that Dave Ramsey, he adheres to. And it works. Like I said, I applied that strategy to my life. Again, I had 9 debts, including my mortgage. Knocked out all 8 of my debts using that strategy. And I'm telling you, you get those quick wins, you get motivated. It keeps you want to keep going until you knock it all out. It does require a lot of discipline. It requires discipline, but you have to want to do it. You have to want to do it. And once you do it, it's a beautiful feeling. So if you're not familiar with Dave Ramsey, many people come onto his show talking about the debts that they have, and they give what is called a debt-free screen. They talk about how they sacrificed, how they practiced self-discipline. They wanted it, and they attacked the debts, knocked it out, then they celebrate on Dave Ramsey's show. But again, it's very, very important that you stick to the plan, because it can get discouraging. But if you stick to the plan, you'll be free. And it took me about 2.5 years. It take people from 2 years to 2.5, maybe 3 years. But if you stick with it, it's a beautiful feeling. It's a beautiful feeling to be free, and then you can begin to build wealth. So again, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, tired of powering that rat wheel, then you can schedule your 30-minute consultation at TrueFin coaching.com. TrueFinCoaching.com can help you get off the rat wheel and begin to invest in yourself. Peace and blessings.